Did you know that after 30, your metabolism slows down by 5% every decade? That means the same habits that kept you lean in your 20s could be secretly packing on pounds now. Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. Now, before you start Googling how to freeze my metabolism, let me stop you right there. It's not all doom and gloom. In fact, losing weight at 30 can be easier than you think if you know the rules of the game. Let's start with the biggest mistake people make after 30, thinking they can out-exercise a bad diet. That late-night pizza? Yeah, it's not just a cheat meal anymore. It's a one-way ticket to weight gain. Now, here's something you probably haven't heard. Losing weight after 30 isn't just about calories. It's about hormones. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that tells your body to store fat, especially around your belly. Ever heard of the term stress belly? Yeah, it's not just a myth. It's your body's way of saying, hey, chill out. The solution: prioritize stress management. Whether it's meditation, yoga, or just taking a walk in nature, find what works for you. But wait, there's more. What if I told you that the key to losing weight after 30 isn't just about what you eat or how you move? It's about when you eat. Here's the deal. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trend. It's a scientifically proven way to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Now, before you go, there's one more thing you need to know. Something so crucial it could make or break your weight loss journey. Here it is. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to run a marathon or go keto to lose weight. If you found this video helpful, don't stop here. Click on the screen to watch my next video, where I break down the 5 healthy habits that will transform your life. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take control of it today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.